elimination round.
At pag pinag-usapan natin itong koponan ng Ateneo, of course, we cannot discount the fact that Alyssa Valdez is the face of this team. But there's someone who took over her seat nung siya ay nag-umpisa na hindi naglaro.
Yes.
At ang ating tinutukoy walang iba kundi ang ating number 6 best scorer in the league na si Miss Joanna Maraguino.
Yes, Joanna Maraguino really has made a name for herself.
Totoo naman.
Naging magandang opportunity din yun nung nagpahinga muna si Alyssa mula sa paglalaro, and doon na kasi talaga naipakita. But then again, with Alyssa or not, she continued to perform the same way. And Joanna Maraguino at Sabetes are, I think, ranked now as a 6th best scorer with 87 points. And every game, consistently, she's able to turn up with double figures.
And these two ladies that we mentioned, Alyssa Valdez and Joanna Maraguino, are the double-bladed sword para dito kay Coach Ty Bondit. But going to the other side, Coach Obet Javier also has multiple weapons.
And their team captain, number 2, Alyssa Valdez. To the competing teams and to all the fans here in the arena.
Sa Ateneo Lady Eagles, walang iba kung hindi si Alyssa Valdez for the Lady Eagles. Joanna Maraguino serving for Ateneo. Ateneo is perfect right now with a 4-0 win-loss card. Arellano on the brink. 3-2-2 win-loss record. Valdez coming off a 29-point performance, scores the first point. This time it's Agana who's the target. Diana Henson rises para dito sa Lady Chiefs. Valdez once again.
So far, so good here for Ateneo.
At bigyan din natin ng credit ito. CJ Rosario. Valdez with a free ball. Aganon Legacion goes back to Aganon. De Jesus. Recover, drop shot coming from Valdez. Yan yung facet ng laro ni Alyssa na laki ng improvement, ID.
And the thing is, she doesn't really change her approach. She has the luxury of making the decision in mid-air.
Kasi nakakapagkape, no?
Oh.
Ang tagal nung hang time.
Nakapanood pansini, nakapag-popcorn pa.
Inside out. Alyssa, once again, attacks Tobiera.
A little struggle now for Tobiera sa kanyang first ball.
Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE. For a happy family. Happy.
Oh.
Happy. Ivy, eh?
And yun naman a team with heart is a very hard team to beat.
Here's Alyssa Valdez serving. Follow her on Volley Friends on Viber. Public chat. Using Viber, just click. Hashtag ka na, kumain ka na ng pizza, sabi mo, ha? Legacion serving for Arellano. Alyssa Valdez against 2. Good down the line cover coming from Galang. Ang galing na libero talaga nito si Galang, ano? Tan, binigyan na naman si Valdez. This time sa Rosario ang inatake. Parang hitting practice Alyssa Valdez, eh.
So Alyssa Valdez, parang it doesn't matter how many hands you put up there.
At seems to be...
Sometimes you wonder, saan kinukuha ni Dada Henson lahat ng lakas?
Saan ang hugot?
Oo, eh.
This time,
Alyssa Valdez
beats Galang's defense. Kanina pa siya nasasagot ni Galang, pero eto, simpleng nasilipan si Galang. Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra LTE for a happy family. Tan, nice serve. Legacion goes to Aganon. Tan goes to Vikiliana. Covered by Galang. Henson against a double block. Inangat ni De Jesus para kay Alyssa. Uy, miss-hit coming from Salamagos.
Easy drop shot.
Ang ganda ng form niya, no?
Hindi papaluin niya ba o ida-drop na lang?
Ang ganda ng pagbenta niya, no? Hindi mo talaga masilip. Aganan for Arellano. They're still down by 7. Was that an off-speed or was that a miss-hit?
It was a miss-hit, pero puntos pa rin para kay Alyssa Valdez.
Dumulas, kumadyos, pumuntos pa rin si Alyssa. Alyssa Valdez para sa Ateneo. 10 set points for Valdez and the Eagles. And that will be all that she wrote dito sa ating unang set. Ateneo running away with the first set, winning comfortably by 10 points, securing it by the score of 25-15. Perspective dun sa gilid di ba? This time, De Leon, set up by Tan.
Free ball.
Ay, ganda niyan. Oops! Bihira yung magkamali si Alyssa sa ganyan.
Alyssa Valdez led the...
Gawang paghahanda dahil last week pa sila naglaro pareho. But sometimes things happen that that's why coaches have to make the adjustments. Pero yung mental aspect ng laro, Ivy, yan ang mahirap
Oh,
repasuhin
that's right.
talaga.
And I'm sure, Coach, alam mo yan, di ba, na kahit gaano mo siguro i-train yung,
Diba?
yung player mo, pero kung talagang yung mental ang kulang, sayang din yung talent.
Kaya nga may game players sa tinatawag, di ba?
Yeah.
At saka may mga... Down the line serve para kay Maraguinot. Valdez, perfect timing. Using her height advantage laban dito kay Ramirez.
Very good, strong serve from Maraguinot.
Menchi Tubiera looking to get on track here in the second set. Tan goes to Valdez. That's all power for Alyssa. Kung iba-iba yung pumalo nun, hindi nalulusot yun.
So lucky break there for Alyssa Valdez.
Grabe. To close out this set,
Oh, another good serve from Maraguinot.
Tulis. Rosario. Good dive. Dive rather. Alyssa Valdez says, enough is enough. The second set is signed, sealed, and delivered for the Lady Eagles. Winning by 8 points, closing out the set with a tally at 25-17. Giselle Tan leaning on all fours, and Alyssa Valdez once again rising and scoring for the Lady Eagles. 25-17. 2 sets up ang Ateneo laban sa Arellano University.
Yes, but then again, paano mo pa ba i-confuse yung mga yung depensa
Oo.
ng kalaban?
Yung misdirection na tinatawag, di ba?
And,
Paano mo pabubukayin yung mga blockers?
Yes, and that's a big role na piniplay nitong ating mga setters.
Valdez defense has definitely improved. We talk about someone who can score in the 30s, but the way she has built herself to be a two-way.
Malakas, pero hindi mo naman mapakinabangan sa depensa.
Kumbaga patay na butas, no? Lagi namin sinasabi pag patay na butas ka, patay tayo. Di ba? Tumabaho ka. Huwag kang senyorito.
Tama. I mean, hindi
Pa dyan.
yan hazard na trabaho din
Yan,
yung
totoo yan.
Hindi nare-realize na marami yan.
Dapat
It's a
may
hazard
hazard,
job.
dapat may hazard pay. Alyssa once again. Too fast. Team captain CJ Rosario. Valdez. Uy, nasilip ni Prado. Back sa delegasyon. Blocked by Valdez and Bea De Leon. Defense of Ateneo today, solid, Ivy.
Sa net, sa ano pa lang block pa lang.
Valdez. Uy, nasilip ni Prado. Back sa delegasyon. Blocked by Valdez and Bea De Leon. Defense of Ateneo today, solid, Ivy.
Sa net, sa...
Family and pizza, sinisilip ko pa rin, no? It's going to be shaky.
Feeling ko wala na yung coach Rocky.
Hindi na dadaan dito si Alexa, hindi na. Alam na niya.
Siguraduhin natin wala na.
Alam na niya. Sa kabila, ubos na yung pizza eh. Teka, ba't ang umubos na sa kaliwa?
Dito sa...
Dito ko muna, Ivy, tatanong ko. Parang may drone. Good reception by Ana De Jesus. Inangat ni Maraguinot para kay
Valdez.
Alyssa. Nakita mo yung angulo ng swipe ng bola. Ang lakas talaga ng wrist itong si Alyssa. Here's Alyssa Valdez serving. Follow her on Volley Friends on Viber public chat. Using Viber, just click follow. Yan.
Oh, that goes out.
Mo na dati parang routine lang na pagbabalik para dito sa Arellano. Double block para dito sa Arellano, sa Ateneo. Alyssa losing control on that shot. 15-10 plus other things in mind. Ana Henson and Arellano only 2 points away. Alyssa, another attack error for the Lady Eagles. Parang na Henson has been solid likewise from the service line. Ikeliana. Tan. Valdez delivers. Valdez pushes Ateneo 2 points ahead dito sa Arellano.
Gandang bawi nito para kay Eliza Valdez.
Bianco Williams coming in for Maraguinot. Ultra fast pipe. Brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra this set and this match. Ramirez goes to Rosario. Dug by De Jesus from the back. Valdez once again fails to score for Ateneo. One. Morado has played well for Arellano. Torino goes to Henson. Covered by De Jesus para sa Ateneo. Mula sa likod. This time, Alyssa.
And she follows the directions, instructions itong si Coach Tai.
Shows peak 4 sa kanyang huling palo. Rarely does she make the same mistake to after that service error ni Joanna Maraguinot. It's 1-2-3 up and 1-2-3 down as Ateneo defeats Arellano in 3 straight sets. 25-14, 25-17, and 25-19.
So ito, yung sa kanilang mga errors, but itong towards the third set, naging mas maganda naman yung galaw nito Lady Chiefs.
They threatened, down by only a single point. But eventually, Eliza Valdez and the rest of the Lady Eagles had enough composure and persistence to be able to hold off the Arellans. At kasama ni Miss Trish Obredo, ang ating best player na naman na si Miss Eliza Valdez.
Okay, so Eliza, nakatapat din nyo ngayon NCAA champions. Inasahan mo ba na ganito yung magiging game?
Syempre naman, everyone naman expect a good game talaga today. And Arellano gave us a good fight also. So, hands down din talaga and they deserve talaga being the champions sa NCAA.
So Eliza, nabalitaan ko rin na you're having to adjust daw kasi syempre you're taking up masters na ngayon and yung class schedule mo medyo magulo. How are you coping naman na ganito yung ginagawa mo tapos naglalaro ka pa ngayon sa volleyball?
Well, hindi lang din naman ako. I'm with Amy and Bea also. So, I think everyone has class naman eh. So, we really have, as a student athlete, we really know what our priorities are. So, ayun. And alam naman ni Coach Tay, nag-a-adjust din siya sa amin. So, we meet halfway naman.
So, Eliza, ngayon naman clean record pa kayo. May improve pa ba ang Lady Eagles or satisfied ka na sa laro ninyo?
Based sa game namin today, sobrang dami namin kailangan i-practice sa training talaga. Being consistent talaga inside the court, kailangan talaga namin. And teamwork, kailangan pa namin mag-jala sa team.
Okay, thank you very much, Eliza. May gusto ka bang batiin ngayon?
Hi sa family ko siya sa San Juan, Batangas, Lola, and my mom, sa kapatid ko, and sa tatay ko sa Palawan, sa mga katrabaho niyo siya. And to all the fans na nanonood sa bahay, hello po!
Okay, so Eliza, as player of the game, we present you this box of Shakey's Pizza. Alright, congratulations once again and back to you guys.